What's going on, guys? It's been a minute. So, I have been trying, as you know from last video, I've been trying like a kind of new strategy, I guess, which is pretty much support and resistance, I want to say. So, yeah, we kind of moved from strictly ICT to, I don't know what you want to call this, but my entries are basically reading off of order flow, reading, different levels of volume to take trades off of. And for the past 2 weeks, we've been doing really good with it. I managed to pass 2 accounts with it, one starter plus and then one regular starter. And for the past 2 days, I have been kind of messing up with it. So I'm committed to being open and honest on this channel. And from the start, I feel like I have been, but we're kind of like turning gears into this situation. But I don't really know what I'm saying now. So let's see. Here's what we have. Kind of some levels, as well as this might look just completely mumbled jumbled to you. Yeah, it took me quite a while to learn it. So we'll just kind of go into like the little recap of the video, or the recap of the trade is what I meant to say. So going down to the 1 minute here. So I was looking for just straight up a short off of data high. And yeah, I don't know how else to explain that. I was literally just looking to short data high because I figured that there would be orders coming in at this time, which I low-key pre-fired it and feel like I probably should have entered on this candle, not this candle. But I figured I'd set the limit. So I did have a little bit of FOMO at that point. Orders, actually, let me go to my journal so I can get a better idea of it. So yeah, there was decent orders, which we're looking for, obviously sell orders when we get up to here to short off of, but I didn't really see that many. So, it's kind of like man, I hate this, a little gamble in a sense. And yes, I did take this across all of my accounts, which since it did wick up, no, we got filled right there. Yesterday during Asia, we had a horrible fill on one of them. It went to stop loss, but then it wicked it like up here. So I lost around like $100 more than what I wanted to lose, which cooked my day today. So I think this was the only trade that we took today. No, sorry, there's this one too. And this one went to stop loss as well. So what I'm kind of noticing is I originally thought like I could just take whatever trade I wanted to off of any of the lines that I have marked out from, like volume and that kind of stuff. But it seems like in order to be able to do that, it has to be within a range. I can't really sit here and just like randomly long and short off of different things because, like, for example, this one got tapped right here. If I were to long off of that, I would have got stopped out instantly, or not instantly, but break even at least. Well, maybe not. It went up and then came back. So that actually would have played out, but it would have been a long time. So for cleaner moves, it's kind of like within a range, it's easier. I have a feeling like nobody knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, so what was I going to do? I was pulling up from yesterday. And yes, these are on the funded. And yes, unfortunately, we are down on the funded by like $300 now. The first funded. The second one, the starter plus, we are down about 1,600 on, no. Yes, 1,600 on that one. So I'm confident this model works. This one's for catching big moves. So I'm confident that I'll make that back and it'll be okay. And I do trust it, but okay. So today, yeah, we lost 250 on this one, 250 on this one. And then yesterday, We lost 225 during Asia session. Yeah. During Asia session, we lost 225. So I don't know where that trade is. And yeah. Yeah, guys, join my Discord if you want to, talk about this, ask questions and stuff like that. I'll do my best to help without giving away too much information, because I am trying to decide whether I want to teach people this for free or, not charge an arm and a leg. But yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow after I do the verse of the day. Also, still join SPS. I know a couple people were asking me about it. Join SPS. It's in the description while I pull up the verse of the day. And if you are trading ICT, as well as if you kind of know order flow, that kind of stuff, there are people in there, including me, that'll help you answer questions and stuff like that. We just love to help, as well as, like I said earlier, join my Discord if you have any questions about this, and I'll do my best to help. But yeah, we got Philippians 4:6-7. Don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank him for all he has done. Then you will experience God's peace, which exceeds anything we can understand. His peace will guard your hearts and minds as you live in Christ Jesus. I have something kind of personal about this message, and it's like stuff seems like it's going wrong in your life, and if you were like a follower of Jesus or of Christ or God or whoever, this kind of applies to all religions. If you drift away from specifically, talking to your God and praying with him and, showing up in the relationship that you have, and you're kind of like, well, I'm not really getting what I wanted. Like, I wanted to be, funded by the end of this last month, and I'm still not there, and I'm still blowing evals and blah, blah, blah. You can totally flip the script and be like, you're lucky enough to even be trading an eval. Some people don't even have the money to do that kind of thing. There's always situations where it could be so much worse. But he's given you the opportunity to even do it. And there's a chance he's not letting you pass. And, you need to learn more. You need to learn more about your psyche. You need to learn more about being able to control yourself and discipline yourself. And if, you don't show that to him in the relationship standpoint that he wants, he's not going to let you do it. But, enough of that. So hope you guys enjoyed, ask me questions, that kind of stuff. Throw it in the comments. I'd love to talk to you about it. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow with some better news, or during Asia. Who knows? Goodbye.